Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel, Content Creators and Affiliates Marketers. In today's video, we'll walk you through the process of joining the Udemy Affiliates program in 2023. Udemy is a popular online learning platform with thousands of courses in various topics. By becoming an affiliate, you can earn commissions by promoting Udemy courses. So make sure to stick by and let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So first, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm just going to open a Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use whatever preferred browser you have or you want to use. And of course, you will have to go and visit the Udemy Affiliate Program page. And you can do this by typing Udemy Affiliate Program in the search bar. So go to the search bar, type Udemy Affiliate Program and hit the enter button. As you can see, once you do so, you'll find this become an affiliate. Simply click on it. And here, as you can see, Udemy is a leading destination for learning and teaching online. Become an affiliate partner today and promote a product that creates new possibilities for people everywhere. So if you click on join now, as you can see, of course, make sure, as an example before, to sign up for an account as an example. So once you are on the Udemy Affiliates program, look for the sign up or join now as an example and click on it to begin the sign up process. And you may need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and the website, of course, if applicable. And then you'll have to complete the application. So after signing up, as you can see, you'll have to go and read all of those here. So as you can see, people wishing to join Udemy Affiliates program will need to submit an application to one of the affiliate network. We partner with a list of our affiliate network partners is below. And of course, please note that before applying, we recommend checking our program requirement to see if you are eligible. So before even applying to any program, you would like to see if you have this requirement. So as you can see, what are the requirements to join the Udemy Affiliates program? So when applying to be a part of our affiliates program, let's just ignore all this. Let's just read those. So a list of followers. Within it says an email list, social media following, or fan base. We look to work with a partner that has already built an engaged audience with consistency traffic and followers. Your website traffic needs to be at least 500 unique monthly visitors in the last 3 months. Your social media pages must have at least 500 followers. And of course, you would like to have consistent traffic. So we'll look at your traffic using SimilarWeb. So this will see the traffic of your website, of your social media accounts, and they will check and other, of course, search engines to understand the traffic on your website. Having a website or at least a social media page with engagement from the visitors and updates content the users is required. When applied or when applying, please make sure your lists all websites or online channels you will use to promote our products in the description section of our application. And of course, we come now to the side thing. So with thousands of courses, chances are we have a Udemy course that can appeal to your audience. When reviewing your affiliate application, we'll look for a fit between your audience and our courses. And of course, there's even the site content or site content. So sites that have no existing content or communication channels may need to work on this part of their sites before even applying. So sites that are brand new or have no consistent traffic yet might be denied approval. And of course, you'll need to align with our blend. So as a company, we have a mission. And a brand we have to work hard to build. And of course, we'll look at your own brand to make sure there's alignments between our brands and that Udemy offers will look coherent with what you offer on your sites. And of course, during the application process, potential affiliates may be asked to share additional information about any the list criteria. So for now, we don't welcome any sites that solely talk about Udemy as well as paid advertisements affiliates. So please keep in mind that your application will be declined if you use any restricted promotional methods. So you'll be able to see it from here. And more information is also available on our affiliate terms and conditions. So if you're using any of those things like mentioned here, you will be declined. And of course, also make sure to go and read all this affiliate terms and conditions so you'll be aware of everything. Once you're done, here's an example. As they said before, you'll have to go and apply for or submit an application for one of their affiliate network they partner with. So there's here a lot of links that you can choose from. The Asia Pacific and Brazil mid-link, Europe mid-link, Japan mid-link, United Kingdom, United States, and so choose whatever suits you. Let's say, an example, I'm just going to choose like United States. So simply I'll have to go and open this link on a new tab, and please use the link below for those publishers who are not part of Rakuten affiliates and need to sign up. So if you need to sign up, if you have an account, of course, you'll have to simply use this. And if you don't have an account, you will need to go and use this link below. So you'll simply have, first of all, to sign up. And so as you can see here, you'll have to enter your company info, your contacts info, your primary website's info, then the payment threshold and language preferences. And of course, the agreement membership will be this. So make sure to read all of this. It's necessary to read. Even if you may be lazy and you would not like to read all of this, but of course it's one time read, so make sure to read everything so you'll be aware about everything and you will not face any problem in the future. And of course, once you read everything and you fill everything here, you'll have to go and check this option. I have read and accept the terms of the publisher membership agreement. I have read and accept the terms of affiliate network and downloadable software application policies. You can see it from here as an example. And of course, there's even this I am 18 years of age and older, because below 18, you'll not be able to sign up for this or join this. Click on sign up and you'll be good to go. If you have an account on this Rakuten as an example, you can use this link if you want to. And of course, this will work for all the links here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is 6 options or 6 applications that you can apply for, which is of course partnering with Udemy. So choose whatever suits you, or you can even go and apply for all of them and see who are going to accept you, or who is going to accept you. So once you apply, of course, once you are waiting, so you'll have to wait for approval. Once you submitted your application, you will need to wait for Udemy team to review and approve it. Of course, this process may take some time, so be patient, and Udemy will notify you via email once your application is approved. And once you do so, you'll have to go and access your affiliate dashboard, then generate the affiliate link, then promote the Udemy courses. And of course, you can even monitor your performance on the affiliate dashboard. So whatever affiliate you apply to, go to the dashboard and you'll be able to monitor your performance. And as you refer and make purchases through your affiliate link, you will receive your commissions. So, and if you reach this point of this video, congratulations. And that's it. You now have a step-by-step guide on how to join the Udemy Affiliates program in 2023. By becoming an affiliate, you can earn commissions by promoting Udemy courses and helping others access valuable online education. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one, not just on the affiliates programs, but any other topic that you will be interested in. So thanks for watching, and I wish you get accepted on the affiliates program, and we will see you in the next video.